Day 2 in Singapore. We are spending it on Sentosa Island and it's Devika's very first time at the beach. Watching her experience the sand and the sea for the first time is a pure magic. Then we headed over to see Wings of the Time, famous light show in Singapore.
Rachel, you saved me. You may not be such a coward after all.
Wings of the Time was honestly such a vibe. Sitting by the ocean and watching the water screens and laser light up the night was just incredible. The fireworks at the end were the perfect finishing touch. After the show, we just roamed around the open areas and caught some local live music. It was so relaxing to just walk and listen to this singing under the stars. It really topped off the whole experience.
So देविका आज हम कहाँ पे आए हैं
Birds Paradise.
क्योंकि देविका को बर्ड्स बहुत पसंद है
We are finally entering Bird Paradise, and there is a very special reason why we are here today. Devika is very fond of birds, so it was a must visit place for us. Our very first stop is the Penguin Cove. The moment you walk through the door, the temperature drops instantly. It's freezing cold in here, which is actually a huge relief because it's such a great way to escape the intense Singapore heat. There are penguins everywhere you look. For me, this is a moment I will never forget. All my life, I have only seen these beautiful creatures in movie or on a screen. Seeing them live, swimming, jumping right in front of me for the very first time is a totally different feeling. Devika is having the best time, and honestly, so am I. Since Devika is so fond of birds, we had to make this our top priority in Singapore. Watching her face light up when she saw penguin for the first time was really amazing. It's not just a visit for us, it's about letting her explore something which she truly loves. Penguins here are so incredibly cute. Watching them waddle on the ice and dive into the water is so entertaining. I also have to appreciate the Singapore authorities for the maintenance of the space. Everything is so clean, the water is crystal clear, and you can tell the animals are very well cared for. It's a world class experience.
कैसे करती है? कैसे करती है पेंगुइन? देखो पेंगुइन कैसे करती है? हाथ में लगा हुआ है हाँ चलो